In this video, I want to show you how to fix in case the remote control of your Fire TV Stick 4K Select is not working anymore. So let's get started. So the first thing you need to do when it's not responding anymore, obviously, is to go on the back, open the panel, and try replacing the batteries with fresh ones. Most of the time, even if they're still having a bit of juice left in them, they will stop. The remote control will stop working. If your problem is still appearing from time to time, in my case, with another Amazon Fire TV stick, even if I replaced the batteries, it worked for a few days and then it stopped working again. What I suggest is that, well, you remove the battery, and with the battery removed, you're gonna press the power button. Keep it pressed at least 20 seconds. We're gonna remove all the remaining energy from the remote control. After 20 seconds, lift your finger. Now, if you are using this Fire TV Stick remote control for a while, there's a chance that there is some debris, some dust that gets trapped inside. And if there is some dust blocking one of the buttons to make contact with the board, well, the whole remote control will stop working. Don't ask me why they did it this way, but this is how it is. So what I suggest is that you press very hard on each of the buttons, okay? One by one with your thumb, press very hard, at least 5 times on each, simply trying to dislodge any dust, any dirt that may be trapped under. Because again, if one of these buttons is stuck because of the dust or whatever, the whole thing will not work. So once you have done the whole thing, okay, pressing very hard, what I suggest is, well, put back the batteries. And now what you need to do, let me show you the screen. So if you get this display, update in progress, Amazon Fire TV Remote is installing important security software updates. This may take up to 1 to 2 minutes. You just have to wait for this to stop. Then, once it has finished, try your remote. If it works, well, this is great. If it's still not connecting, press the home button over here during 10 seconds and wait. Usually after 10 seconds, the remote should be detected by the Fire TV Stick and everything will work. If you found this video helpful, take a moment, comment down below, or if you have other solutions that may help other people, leave them also in the comment section. See you in the next video.